Hi, we are Team Amrita representing Amrita University participating for the Wipro Earthian Challenge under the theme Waste. Myself Balu, I'm a postgraduate student doing my MTech in robotics and automation.
I'm Amrita, second year student in robotics and automation.
Myself Deebu, doing MTech in robotics and automation.
We are creating this video to showcase a case study on waste management, zero waste conducted at Mada Amrudantamai Mutt, Amritapuri. India is drowning with the piling up of waste across the country. Authorities are finding it difficult to collect them and to dispose them. Most of the time it turns into landfill, and which creates landfill gases and water pollution due to leaching. These issues can be reduced if the waste is sorted at source and recycled, as how we see it here at our facility here at Amritapuri.
We visited the waste management facility at MUT to conduct the study. What we saw, there was a professional approach in handling the waste. When I say handling the waste, I mean collecting them and sorting them. They also conduct the awareness programs to make the people aware about the importance of the sorting the waste.
From the case study, we could understand that the importance of sorting is essential for making the waste management system more effective and easy to conduct. It also makes them economically feasible.
On understanding the importance of sorting and how zero waste wouldn't have been possible without the proper sorting techniques, we thought, why don't we introduce a fun method to teach the concept of sorting to a wider audience?
When you say the fun, the first thing comes into one's mind would be games. Yes, we developed a serious game to sort the waste according to the different category. We also conducted the effectiveness study of the game to see how it was accepted by the audience.
Amritapuri is the main ashram and the international headquarters of Mada Amrudantamai Mutt. It is home for visitors, humanitarian volunteers, monastic disciplines, householders, and the total population sums to 1 lakh.
This can be compared to any urban sector in the country. Naturally, huge volume of waste would be generated, and this requires a well-structured waste management system to efficiently handle the waste.
We visited the ashram and learned that the entire process of waste management is done at 2 centers, Amrita Recycling Center and Amrita Compost Center. Amrita Recycling Center has achieved the milestone of zero waste in the locality from 2014 through a well-defined, systematic and professional approach to waste management.
The process is structured in such a way that there are a number of waste stations at specified locations where individuals can drop the waste. Also, a batch of volunteers form collection teams to collect vegetable waste from kitchen and inorganic waste comprising of plastic and other hard items from compost. Let us see how the waste is being processed in Amrita Recycling Center. The waste management process at the recycling center is done in the following order. First, the inspections are done on the waste bins brought in from the waste stations to check whether they were sorted properly. After the inspection, the waste is transferred from the waste bins to the sorting table. Then the detailed waste separation is done and it is dropped into the sacks, kept next to the table. To avoid any mistakes, the sacks are also labeled with the corresponding waste category. This completes the process of the waste. The processed waste is then sorted for the further processing.
Type of waste processing for different major waste categories. Paper waste comprises of notebooks, new paper, cardboard, which are sorted and then later recycled and sold. If there is decayed paper, the major amount goes to compost and the rest to the incinerator. In the case of metals, it is separated in accordance to its type. Then it is sold to a scrap dealer. For hard plastic, it is stored and then later sold. For soft plastic, it is washed, cleaned, dried, and then products are made like bags, wallet, aprons, etc. Women are given training to make these products. Sanitary products are incinerated in our incinerator facility. After recycling center, we visited Amrita Compost where the organic waste are treated. Food waste is transferred to the compost table first. Then sorting for the hard items and plastics is carried out in the table. After the sorting is complete, the hard items are then transferred back into the recycle center and the wood biomass is then used in the centralized kitchen for steam boilers at the ashram. Garden waste has its own sorting table where the sorting is done. Food waste plus cow slurry, which is the waste from the cowshed, and wood chips, the waste from carpentry, are mixed thoroughly in the sorting table. Then it's piled up for windrow composting. Temperature monitoring and turning the pile in regular interval for aeration is an important step. Daily temperature of the pile is noted and turning the pile for aeration is done twice a week. The filtered fine compost are fed to the vermicompost pit and the bigger particles goes back to the compost table as carbon source. Output from the vermicompost is used as an organic fertilizer. By now, the vermicompost in Ashram has developed a new organic farm, which will help in generating organic vegetables in the future and to be self-sustainable. Here we present the data on the waste collected from the month November 2015 to 2016. The blue portion in the graph represents the percentage of the paper waste. The orange portion represents soft plastic, red hard items, and brown represents other items.
On comparing the weight of the waste before and after final processing, we found that mistakes made while sorting from the source was as low as 24%.
We just saw a case study on waste management. Now we can see how organized a waste sorting station can be made, which in turn would increase the efficiency and revenue. And now most importantly, we can also learn how to bring a professional approach to waste sorting in a country like India. The data actually revealed that when sorting is done from source, the entire waste management structure becomes more manageable, easy, and efficient. From this, we could pin down that bringing awareness on sorting is very important.
At Amrita, we have done extensive research into serious games. We have developed a serious game for balance rehabilitation, and we have also seen many games across the world, like Darfur is Dying, like Flood Sim, that has been used for humanitarian purposes. So we thought, if we want to raise awareness of waste sorting techniques, what better way to do that thing than by creating a serious game around it.
We introduced a game where the user can drag a particular waste into the corresponding bin located at the four corners of the screen. 10 points is awarded at real time for every correct drop and 5 points detected for every incorrect drop. This would give the user a real-time feedback. To make the game environment more engaging, a low-cost technology Kinect was introduced.
All the trainees reported that they feel confidence to sort the waste according to the different categories. Some of them commented that they would like to participate Amala Bharadam campaign to sort the waste. They feel they can help more to the campaign as they now gained more about the waste sorting.
It was a great experience for all of us. We never thought this project would be this exciting. The best part was implementing the game and the reaction we got from the students and people who tried it. They were really interested and gave positive feedback, which we hope would change their mindset on waste management.
Personally, we have recognized the importance of waste management structure, how waste can be treated to resource, and how revenue can be generated from it. Let's all lead to that common goal. And as our father of nation have said, Clean India, Safe India.